Hello everyone, I am Amarnath.
And myself Anmol Para sir.
We are here to perform an experiment in embedded system where we will glow a bulb using sensors with the help of this robot.
Okay.
This is a microcontroller containing a 8 MHz IC through which sensor and relay circuit are connected.
There are some requirements to perform this experiment. So the things which we need is that a bulb which will glow, a relay which has been used here, the sensor which will sense the bodies which will come in front of it. With this we have a Atmega 8 circuit in which we have fed a software, that is we have programmed ourselves, and with the help of this robot we will perform the experiment.
And this is the power bank which is used for feedback of power. So now let's start, Mr. Amarnath.
Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will give connection to this circuit. So from here we will give the connection that the power supply to glow this bulb.
Now this is directly on.
Now this is directly on. Now the circuit is not working. It is genuinely, the bulb is glowing just casually. So now we will perform how it is working. Let's see. First step 1, we will switch on the circuit.
Then its program run. Now its program is ready for run.
You can see as we switched on the circuit, the bulb is switched off. So now we will show how it is working. Now let's perform. This is a sensor which has been used here for detecting power supply, and now we'll perform. You can see this is the sensor which is sensing any bodies which coming in front of it. So how it works, let's see.
It may be any object.
This is basically, this embedded system is made for our domestic purpose, as we use different types of electric instruments in our home.
As well as any object. Sensor, then it will on. Now you can watch easily. And if object go far side, now it is off.
Now we will discuss in more one thing, that is when we are bringing this bulb nearer to the circuit. As we put our hand, it is glowing, but on the other hand, we will see that again when we put our hand, it is not switched off. It is because the rays which is coming out from this bulb, it is affecting that sensing circuit sensor.
Because photodiode always detect the light.
Therefore, as we remove this bulb from here, you will see that it will switch off, and again
it work properly.
And again when we will put our hand, it will start working.
Now one is LED and one is photodiode. So when it emit the light and it detect the reflect light, because photodiode always detect the light.
And technically it is called IR sensors.
Yes. Now take far side, object close, like
बल्ब नीचे रख थोड़ा भैया यार बंद करके झाड़ियां बनाओ ऊपर
this is a hanky. Now this is object. Okay, thank you.